morning everyone. So today we talk about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Then how many types of cloud computing? How many types of cloud environment? So let's start. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a way to store storage and manage and process data over the internet instead on a local computer or server. Think of it as using someone else's computer that you can access from anywhere via the internet. Then why we use cloud computing? So no need to buy expensive hardware, access your data and apps from anywhere. Scalable, you can easily increase or decrease resources. Then backup and recovery are easier. So what is types of cloud computing? There are three types of cloud computing. First, infrastructure as a service. Then second one is the platform as a service. Then third one is software as a service. It's called as PaaS and SaaS. So infrastructure as a service provides basic computer infrastructure like server, storage and networking. You rent these resources instead of buying and maintaining them. For example, Amazon Web Service AWS and Microsoft Azure. Then second is platform as a service. So offers a platform to build run applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. Then include development tools, database and servers. For example, Google App Engine and HeroQ. Then third one is software as a service, SaaS. So deliver software applications over the internet and on a subscription basis. Then you can access the software via a web browser and the provide handle updates and maintenance. Example, Google Workshop, Docs and Sheets and Microsoft 365. Let's how many types of cloud environments? So there are 4 types of cloud environments. First is public cloud, then second one is private cloud, third is hybrid cloud, then fourth is multi-cloud. Public cloud services are provided over the public internet and shared by the multiple organizations. Private cloud related to a single organization with security and control. Hybrid cloud combines public and private clouds to allow data and application to be shared. Multi-cloud uses service from multi-cloud providers to avoid dependency on a single vendor. So I hope you understand easily what is cloud computing. So like this video and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.